Really is a quick one, this one. Got in a Squier Affinity Tele with a scratchy switch. So I'm just got a brand new control plate here with a brand new switch on it. I'm just going to take this switch off and stick it in. I don't think this is stock because it seems to be all newly wired and even has some sort of treble bleed thing going on. Get this off. I'm just going to do it one wire at a time so I don't screw it up. So that was across two pickups. Using pliers to bend the contacts into position. Bollocks. That go down. That's what I didn't want to happen. Because I've really got no solid way of holding this, so I'm just kind of not flying by the seat of my pants, but near enough. Right, you get the point. I'm going to struggle with this for another 2 minutes. Right, just shut the wires off and fed them through a bit longer so that makes life a little bit easier. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it wired. I've done that, the neck pickup already. I think that's the neck pickup anyway. I've got the ground wire to do. And the reason I'm doing this is because like I say, the wiring. I think someone's taken the time to properly upgrade that to some degree. I just left the switch because a switch is a switch is a switch most of the time until it wears out. I like the mechanical Grigsby style ones though, so come on. Sometimes you get a stubborn switch tip. Can I lever it off? Tell you what the thing to do is. There you go, done. Need a bigger screwdriver. all these original bolts work for this switch. It should do. Yeah, I'm going to use the originals. I know it looks like I'm doing this awkwardly, but it's all on camera. Come on. Don't get why this ground wire is here though, because all this is grounded together by the plate, so, but this is the way it was when I opened it. Right, job's a good one. And with this one, like that Les Paul, I'm not going to do a sound clip. But that's how easy it is just to swap a Telecaster switch around. And the reason for it, like I say, I was just scratchy, so with a brand new switch, the scratchiness will be gone. I'm going to give this a wee tweak so it plays a bit better though. I'm not going to do too much to it. No, that does not want to go on. Because that's the tip for the switch. I thought I'd try and keep the original, but no, didn't work. Let's fire this back together. Yeah. There you go, I'll just leave that as is, put a tip on it. Right, now the neck. Because I can, when I was sitting feeling it, a Black Sabbath t-shirt there. Let's see, 1st fret and 9th fret, yeah. You can see quite a lot of relief. I mean, overall it plays not bad, but may as well give it a wee tweak to make sure it's playing nicer. Definitely 5mm, but it's no one to find its way home. Because I'm not doing a lot. That's better. Let's check the action. It's a little bit high, but there we go. Sorted, quick switch change and a quick drift rod adjustment. Switch the iron off. I'm going to go check this, make sure it's all working, and it should be.